Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I mean, like I've been saying, we have a couple different options here. This could be a wave A, this could be a wave B, and it definitely could be going down for a wave C before it makes another push up. Definitely a pretty likely scenario. I still am not 100% convinced. I mean, to me, it still looks like it should go up and make either an expanding flat or a running flat. But this monthly candle is definitely looking very bearish. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely a breaker structure to the downside. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, so we should be looking for shorts at shorter time frames. While we're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on trending down, then that's great news for us. While we're looking for shorts, if for some reason it looks like an ABC crescent and it breaks structure to the upside, then we'll stop looking for shorts and go back to looking for longs. Just going with the flow. Going down to the daily time frame, the euro dollar is very weak to the downside. Ever since we broke structure, we definitely should have been looking for shorts. Definitely no reason to think that this is move down is over yet. Going right down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the structure of this move down, and you can see that this thing is definitely not giving you any reason to start looking for longs yet. Every single one of these swings is a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Definitely not fighting a trend, which means I definitely would be continuing to look for shorts on these sort of time frames until we get that break of structure telling us that either the wave A or the wave 1 is complete. Going right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a nice little trend right here. Ever since this last end of an ABC correction, we have a nice little low high, low high, low high, low. So if we do go up, if we do break this structure, then I would instantly throw my Fibonacci retracement on here. Then I would observe the market to see if it made an ABC correction to this last move down and then continue down later on, or whether it made a very impulsive move up and went up and broke structure. For me personally, as a swing trader, I will not be looking for longs until we get this breaker structure right here, because this breaker structure right here does not tell me that the higher time frame trend is over. This breaker structure up here will tell me the higher time frame trend is over. This breaker structure down here only will tell me that the last series of lower lows, lower highs on the 1 hour time frame is over, which means that it could be an ABC crescent to those waves and it could just keep on trending down. But really, until we actually get some sort of a breaker structure, I mean, I definitely would not be trying to fight the trend. I would definitely be continuing to look for shorts every single chance I got. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.